Morning, my dear friends. Today I am going to teach you few fundamentals for learn English. Guys, all of you know that English is very most important language nowadays. Everybody want to learn English, but still they are not learning. Why? Because there are some obstacles which creates a very critical conditions in front of them. That's why they forget to learn. They feel very embarrassed on their times when they speak in front of the individual person who know very well speaking English. But by following these rules, I hope you will definitely learn English very quickly and fluently. First of all, we will not skip grammar. Most of the students, they think that in America or in England, they don't learn grammars. Even then, they are speaking very good English. Guys, it's a misconception. Their native language is English, but your native language is not English. Your native language is Hindi, Punjabi, other state languages. But if you will not skip grammar, as you know, for learning Hindi language, American students needs the Hindi grammar knowledge. If I am talking about if the foreigners are coming to our country, you have felt that they have no any knowledge regarding Hindi. So that's why they feel very difficult to speak in front of us in Hindi. You know why? Because they have no any knowledge regarding Hindi. Same as we are facing these kind of problems. We also don't know how to speak English because we have not knowledge about the grammars of English. If you learn the grammar, I'm sure you will not feel embarrassed on the times when you're speaking, because some of the grammar rules makes a sentence to speak in front of the people. So we will not skip grammar. Second thing, try to speak. Even you don't know about English, but some of the words you know in your mind, some of the sentence you know, so you have to follow some of the sentence in front of the people. Suppose I am talking to you and I have to speak you, idhar aa jao. So this sentence I can speak in English. Please come here. Same as you have to follow the rules. Try to speak whatever you know. Whatever you know, you have to speak English, because it will help you to enhance your knowledge and build up your confidence level. If you skip these two things, I am telling you only two things. First of all, complete your grammar. Second, try to speak. Try to make in your conversation. If you will use in your conversation, it will make you effective person in your life, and it will help you to build up your confidence level. So guys, today I am going to complete my words. In next video, I will tell you why grammar is very most important for our speaking, and it will make you the fluent person in your speaking terms. Thank you so much.